Hey guys, Dave here. Today we're doing up one of my all-time favorites, some chicken and broccoli. Ever so easy, ever so delicious, a great midweek meal. So let me show you how to do this. Okay, first off the bat, we're going to add some oil to a pan over medium-high heat. Then throw in about a pound of boneless, skinless chicken breasts that I've cubed up. You could also use thighs. Thighs might be a little bit more tasty, but in this case we're going to use breasts. And of course we'll just stir and fry here for a few minutes until they're no longer pink and basically cooked through. While they're frying, season them up with a little bit of salt, I'd say about a teaspoon. And of course my all-time favorite, some ground black pepper, and I'm going to throw in about a teaspoon and a half of this. About a teaspoon of the old oregano. Now you could also use Italian seasoning that I always use, but I didn't in this case. Then of course we shall just continue to stir and fry, and like I said before, just until this chicken browns up. And for some crazy reason, my friends, this is beginning to smell good already. Now the chicken is cooked through, and I know I said brown, but you really don't have to brown it. I'm going to go in with a small chopped onion and of course 3 cloves of the old garlic. You gotta have onion and garlic and everything. And we'll just give this a stir around and saute it until that wonderful aroma of onion and garlic fill the air. And what can I say here? You really know we're cooking when you add that onion and garlic. It smells incredible. So we're pretty much sauteed up here, so I am going to throw in 3/4 of a cup of washed, long grain, uncooked rice. And we'll just kind of stir everything around here, and you do know when I say washed, I mean washed, right? Just kind of a fun way of playing with words. Next up, pour in 2½ cups of chicken stock, and of course you can use vegetable stock or whatever you have on hand too. Once again, a stirring we will go, and we'll just simply bring this to a boil. After we have a nice boil going on, I am just going to slip a lid on, reduce the heat a little bit, and we'll let this simmer away for about 12 minutes. After about 12 minutes, we are looking good, so I'm just going to pull the lid off. Then we're going to throw in the star of the show, some broccoli florets, and we'll just make sure we get these evenly distributed here. And this is just a couple of stalks of broccoli. Grab up a couple of spoons, and we'll just mix everything together so that broccoli is nicely combined with that rice and chicken. And just check this out, guys. Isn't this looking absolutely incredible? I think so anyway. Now, of course, we'll throw the lid back on and let this cook for another few minutes over low, just until that broccoli becomes tender, and this won't take very long. After about 5 minutes, that broccoli is tender, so what we're going to do now is throw in about ½ a cup of Tex Mex cheese, because, you know, I just gotta have my cheese. Just give it the old toss one more time until that cheese is nicely mixed in there and kind of melted down. Okie dokie, we'll just kill the heat here, and I'm going to spread a little more cheese over the top of that broccoli and just kind of leave it sit. And this is just about, I'd say 1.5 cups, whatever you feel you want to use. Then what we'll do is just slip that lid back on and just kind of let that cheese melt down naturally. After a couple of minutes, we are pretty much done, and just look at that, guys, our chicken, rice, and broccoli. And I mean to say, it does not get much easier, and it does not get much more delicious. And you grab this up and bite into it, my friends. It is spectacular. I mean, what more can I say? So good, so easy. You simply have to make this, and if you do, leave us a comment. Love to read them. Most of all, like and subscribe. Thanks for watching, guys. Stay safe, and we'll see you in the next video.